Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today we're going to discuss hiring a contractor. Individual association members often contact our company regarding advice regarding personal maintenance needs for their own home. While there are no guarantees for any maintenance vendor, there are some steps that can help assist in the search for a competent and responsible vendor. First, friends, neighbors are great sources of potential vendors. Also, other contractors you use for other maintenance services can be a great source as well. Many times, contractors who may not provide a particular type of service can recommend other contractors who can. Personal third-party referrals are usually very strong candidates because people are usually hesitant to recommend other parties that they are dissatisfied with. Even if you are referred a strong candidate, there are still a number of steps that should be taken to help safeguard your selection. First, ask for 3 references and check these references. Second, check their Better Business Bureau ratings. See if they have any complaints. See how they have addressed any complaints. Lack of complaints or having complaints may not be significant depending on the size of the company you're investigating. A small company may not have any, while a larger company has more BB activity just based on their larger size. The main thing here is how they are addressing any complaints they may have. Third, how long have they been in business? If the vendor is incorporated, this can be checked online at the Secretary of State's website. 4, how long have they been at their current address? Have they changed their company name recently? These can be signs of a less than trustworthy company. 5, estimates and contracts should be in writing. Legal advice may be appropriate for larger maintenance projects. Any work changes to your contract should be done in writing and need your approval. Also, a projected start date along with a projected completion date is a great feature for any agreement. Number 6, depending on your project and feasibility, it may be a good idea to start an unknown vendor on a smaller job to gauge their performance. And 7, and most importantly, never pay a vendor up front. At most, installment payments as the work progresses. Remember, a vendor has the ability to file a lien for non-payment of services, while your only remedy may be filing an expensive lawsuit to recoup funds paid out. Again, there are no guarantees, even if a vendor comes with strong recommendations and you follow the due diligence suggestions above. However, following these steps hopefully reduces your risk.